to another video. Today I'm going to be making macaroni and cheese, and I know I have a video of another macaroni and cheese, but this one I'm trying out, and this is going to be like a creamier version. So I have some Velveeta cheese, a 16 ounce. I have 8 ounce of sharp cheddar, and I have a 16 ounce and then of sharp cheddar, and then I have a 16 ounce of Monterey Jack cheese, and I'm going to use 2 cans of evaporated milk. I have 2 pounds of elbow macaroni, but I'm just going to use about 1.5 pounds. I have some paprika, some lawry seasoning salt, and some salt. So for the black cheese, I shredded it like this, and I'm only gonna use half of the black of the Velveeta cheese. Okay, so I have already boiled my my macaroni, and here I'm gonna start my roux. You just wanna melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Butter's melted. I'm going to add, I put 4 tablespoons, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, like 3. Three tablespoons of flour, and we're just going to whisk it. Make sure your heat is not too high. Okay, so just keep whisking. And here we're gonna slowly add the evaporated milk. You want to add it until it becomes creamy. Okay, so I went ahead and add all of my evaporated milk, both cans. Then I want to slowly add in my cheese. My black cheese. So you just want to gradually make sure all the cheeses melt. Once you add the black cheese and it melts, then you'll have to add in the other cheese. So just keep stirring until your cheeses melt. So now I'm going to add my sharp cheddar cheese. I don't want to add all of it because I want to leave some for the topping. And we're just going to whisk all of this so that it gets melted as well. Now that everything is smooth, I just want to throw in some paprika. You guys know that paprika doesn't taste like anything. It's just going to give it some color. A little bit of salt. I know that cheese already have salt, so then just a little bit of the lawry seasoning salt. I'm just going to mix it up. I'm just going to add my noodles to it. And guys, of course, after you do your noodles, always put cold water so that your noodles stop cooking. And mix everything together. Then I'm gonna put it in my pan. my baking pan, and make sure you guys grease it with butter. Just greasing my pan with some butter. I'm just going to transfer my mac and cheese over here, where I'm gonna put the cheese just on top like that. My family likes it super cheesy, so I'll do some of that, and then I left some of the cheddar cheese. Then we're just going to bake this in the oven until it's nice and bubbly. Yeah, cheesy and bubbly. Okay, so here I am doing for the macaroni and cheese. Let's see how it goes. Mmm. This one is creamy. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. I might like this way a lot better than my other one. Oh my goodness, this one came out really, really good, guys. I highly recommend this one. If you guys like my video, please go give me a like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.